Alright, y'all, it's live at Grizzly here, back at another YouTube video for you guys today. And today we're spending 4th of July weekend, weekday, whatever, with family.
You have to take a drink. Come on, it's your turn.
Oh, my turn? My turn? Here, take her.
Hey, what's
There
it is.
You have to drink. Go, Kiki, it's your turn. Hey!
Get her.
You have to drink, Kiki.
Get her now.
Oh my god.
Hey!
Bro,
Here.
Oh my god.
1 sec.
This is not fair.
Let's go.
Y'all some evil.
Go.
I like the game with more over there. My turn?
No,
wait.
Wait.
Yeah, you're trying to.
It's on.
Yeah, you're trying to set.
No,
It's on.
Look, you see the fire right here. Look.
I can see it.
See that? Look.
Oh, you're trying to barbecue. Oh, not barbecue. Like grill.
Yeah, but it smells like gas.
Yeah.
It's on, bro.
Y'all hungry?
It's on. Hell yeah.
Y'all boys starving? Y'all boys starving?
Get to cooking.
We're getting to cooking. We're just running through some difficulties. That is not child friendly. That is not child friendly.
This is mine. You follow him on Instagram.
Ooh. Man, you'll always look out for me, man. Keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him. Wait, I don't know if you guys are really. Y'all noticed that over there? Is that yours? Oh my god. Baron, go save the day. Go save the day.
What? Go! Go get them!
Safety's first, guys.
That's mine!
Girls wear safe.
Juan! Go faster, Juan! Go, Juan! Juan, go! Why would he do that? He's drowning! Go, Juan! No!
Woo! The boy 10 on the grill. Pristine weenies. Got my boy from the best weenies in town. What do you think about that, Cody?
I wanted to stop and get some more lock for something.
Bruh, no, that was right there, low key.
It was hella.
It was pretty busy.
Yeah, when we came out.
There was 0 line.
I was like, my love is
We gotta have a part 2 trip like this, all right? What you eating there, my boy? What you eating there?
Check it this. Big bite.
Ooh.
Big bite.
Ooh, extra mayonnaise. Oh my god. What about you? What you got there? Ooh, oh, 1 bite man. Okay. How you feeling? Why are you laughing over there, Cody? What's wrong? Hey, bro, you actually went in the water with that chain on? You're crazy, bro. Mine would have floated right off my head.
You see the line?
No discriminating on the White Claws, right? Yes, sir. No discriminating. Yeah. No discriminating on the White Claws, right?
I like that one though.
Oh, look at that cute couple right here. 2 years from now, the baby is coming. Yeah. Right.
What's his name? Benji. Benji.
That is a pretty cool name, though, Benjamin. Y'all know what my kid name is gonna be, though? Oh. Hey, he's gonna be Juan then.
What?
He's gonna be Juan.
Juan?
Yeah, it's John. Right?
Yeah.
John is Juan. Wait, you say John, right? You said Juan? I'm confused.
Oh my god, Martin.
Wait, so who? Landon got a beat? No, yeah. If you so the cup has to catch up to Juan.
Back. First try.
First try. Look, you're about to drink. Get it. Oh, you
Yeah, drink. You gotta drink one. Take one sip.
You drink and then you grab it.
Damn, bro.
Drink.
Why not? Drink it.
Damn, Aaron, the lighting doing you justice right now. You look like fucking The Rock.
Yeah, I was gonna run another cup.
Oh, first time. Give it back. Get him again. What the?
I'm ready for a shot. Aaron, you should actually.
Oh no!
Go.
Drink again and get another cup.
Drink it. Give me another cup.
You can put in Shelby's cup. Oh, dang.
You gotta get another cup. You gotta get another cup right here. And then go again. It keeps going.
First shot.
You gotta make it though.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna make your first shot. There. You watch.
It's the first time I've gone.
First shot here.
Get her.
I haven't gone yet. Aaron, please.
First try, Aaron.
It's competitive, y'all.
Get her.
Wait. Oh, okay.
Sucker again.
First try here. Go.
Let's try back.
Oh shit.
Get it first try. First try. I'm gonna get her again.
I need to change this goddamn song. What is this?
Stacker.
Alright, so right now we're out here at the just chilling. I'm staying in the shade because it's way too damn hot. I'm gonna have to jump in a bit low key, I ain't gonna lie. Look at him just standing there. What is he thinking about? Everyone out there. Alright, so I just got my poke bowls, my second time eating this, besides for the first restaurant I had over there in Monterey. And we're gonna give this a shot. Look at those colors, y'all. Look at those colors. How y'all feel about it? Cody, how you feel about it, Cody? So right now, is this thing's focusing or what? I don't know. I don't know what it's trying to focus on. We're here right now getting ready for the fireworks show. And you know what I'm saying, got the little Tacoma thing geesed up, ready to go. Watching 2-in-1, little sunset action as well. A little sunset, you know what I'm saying? Can't miss out. But just getting ready, you know what I'm saying? The lights going on, a bunch of cars out here parked up. It's 4th of July, Tuesday. Let's go. Alright, we're here with everybody, you know what I'm saying? Damn, I need a flash, low key. I think I need the flash. Hold on. Hopefully this is not the strobe.
Get an Oreo sandwich. You leave in the car?
Pretend the camera's not recording, y'all. Pretend the camera's not recording, y'all. Pretend the camera's not recording. This is B-roll footage right here. B-roll footage.
I think that was like the test.
Juan, you need to sing with the fireworks.
Oh, say, can you see by the sun's Why did I feel like it was more higher?
Whoa! That one's good. This is gonna be awesome.
They gotta get their seasons together, huh?
It's crazy how the sound gets so late.
I know, huh? Like,
Whoa.
oh, someone got black. Hell yeah, brothers and sisters. Hell yeah, America.
Live or no? Easy live or no?
Oh yeah, that's not working out.
Oh, you guys are getting good ones.
Yeah. Oh god damn, bro. I gotta record this on my phone too. I gotta multitask this one too. Holy shit. Holy shit, it's the Super Bowl! God damn, boys!
Dude, I think I missed it.
Holy shit! I am gonna mute myself. And now stand for the national anthem.
One.